fix Snapchat AR try on not loading product. So to fix Snapchat AR try on products not loading, the first thing what you can do is check the connection and restart. Just scroll down the control center from the top of your screen and toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it off. Or switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa to bypass routing issues. You can also force close and reopen the Snapchat app. Now the next thing what you can do is open the Snapchat app on your device, then tap your Bitmoji in the top left corner, then tap settings in the top right corner of your screen, then scroll down to privacy control section, then tap clear data. Now tap clear cache. Now to confirm, tap clear cache. Now Snapchat will ask you to restart the app. Simply tap OK to close it. Then go to your Apple App Store or tap the Snapchat icon directly from your home page. Now the next thing what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Snapchat app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap an update to get the latest version. Now if the product asset remains blank, uninstall the app and reinstall it. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.